Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best mirror dash cams of 2026. If you want clearer video recording, smarter driving assistance, and safer parking, these dash cams have got you covered. I'll go through each product, share their key features, pros and cons, and help you pick the best one for your car. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Pelsee P12 Pro Max 4K front plus 2.5K rear, 12-inch rear view mirror camera. 4K front and 2.5K rear StarVis sensors, IMX678 front and IMX335 rear. Color night vision. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. ADAS and BSD, advanced driver assistance and blind spot detection, OBD hardwire kit and 128GB memory card included. The P12 Pro Max is a premium mirror dashcam. Video quality is amazing even at night thanks to the color night vision and StarVis sensors. The ADAS and BSD features make driving safer by alerting you to lane departures and nearby cars. Parking is a breeze with the OBD hardwire kit and high storage capacity. Pros: ultra-clear 4K front camera, large 12-inch mirror display, advanced safety features, ADAS and BSD, 128GB memory card for long recordings. Cons: larger size may not fit all vehicles perfectly, a bit pricey. Number 2. Pelsee S12 Pro 4K front plus 1080p rear, 4K front and 1080p rear camera, StarVis 2 sensor for improved night vision, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and voice control, color night vision, ADAS and BSD, 64GB memory card included. The S12 Pro is slimmer and easier to install than the P12 Pro Max. Voice control is a standout feature, letting you control the dashcam without taking your hands off the wheel. The StarVis 2 sensor ensures nighttime clarity, making it ideal for city or highway driving after dark. Pros: voice control for hands-free operation, excellent night vision, compact and sleek design. Cons: rear camera is only 1080p. 64GB card may fill up quickly on long trips. Number 3. Wolfbox 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam. 12-inch smart mirror dashcam, front 4K, rear 1080p camera, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and voice control, WDR for better lighting balance, 64GB memory card and GPS included. Wolfbox combines high-end features with affordability. The large mirror screen is easy to read, and WDR ensures your recordings are clear in bright or low-light conditions. GPS integration is useful for tracking routes, which is great for long drives or delivery drivers. Pros: clear 4K video with WDR, voice control support, built-in GPS for route tracking, large 12-inch mirror display. Cons: rear camera is standard 1080p, slightly more complex installation. Number 4. Jomise T860 Plus 4K front plus 2.5K rear. Detached front camera for easy installation, approximately 10 minutes. 3x zoom rear view mirror camera, 4K front and 2.5K rear camera, night vision, WDR, parking assist, and GPS. 64GB memory card included. The T860 Plus stands out for its quick installation and detachable front camera, perfect if you want a neat setup without professional help. The zoom feature is useful for adjusting the rear view perspective, and WDR plus night vision makes it reliable for all lighting conditions. Pros: easy 10-minute installation, 3x zoom rear view, night vision and WDR, GPS and parking assist. Cons: slightly smaller mirror display, rear camera quality lower than front. Number 5. Veement 10-inch 4K mirror dashcam. 10-inch mirror dashcam, 4K front, 1080p rear, voice control and 24-hour parking mode. Night vision included. 32GB memory card included. Veement is a compact and budget-friendly option. Voice control is convenient, and the 24-hour parking mode adds extra security for your car when parked. Ideal if you want a smaller mirror dashcam without compromising too much on features. Pros: compact 10-inch size, 24-hour parking mode, voice control support, reliable night vision. Cons: lower rear camera resolution, 32GB card may fill up quickly on long trips. Purchase link, Amazon. So there you have it, the top 5 mirror dashcams of 2026. If you want premium quality with maximum features, the Pelsee P12 Pro Max is unbeatable. If you prefer compact, affordable, and easy-to-use options, the Veement or S12 Pro are excellent choices. Wolfbox and Jomise T860 Plus strike a nice balance between features, display size, and installation ease. Make sure to check the links in the description to find the latest prices and deals. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which dashcam you'd choose for your car.